Hello, and welcome back to the Cultivating Mindful Awareness series. It's wonderful to have you here for day 4 of our 5-day meditation practice. Yesterday, we practiced the body scan, cultivating equanimity and non-reactivity to sensations. Today, we'll dive deeper into mindful awareness with the noting method, a practice that gives us insight into the vast array of thoughts, feelings, and sensations that make up our moment-to-moment experience. The mind is incredibly active, and our attention can shift from one thing to another many times in a short period of time. I'm sure you've noticed. Practicing this technique helps us see the patterns that shape our thinking, and it helps us see where our attention likes to go. We'll begin by anchoring our attention to the breath, just as we have been doing in our previous sessions, to help us settle into the present moment and to help us cultivate a stable, clear, and calm attention to take with us in the meditation. And then we will observe our attention, having an awareness of our attention, and see what it focuses on, and silently noting where it lands. The general terms that are used are hearing, feeling, breathing, thinking, tasting, and seeing if you choose to meditate with open eyes. You can also create your own words if you want, especially if your attention repetitively focuses on something, for example, planning or analyzing, or something more specific like organized closet. If you're experiencing emotions arise, you can note the specific emotions such as sadness, grief, or joy. Or you can simply note emotions arising. But try not to overthink the choice of words you use. And know that during our meditation, I will demonstrate this for you, and we'll have a chance to practice together. So let's begin our practice. If you haven't already, please sit well, with an upright spine and a relaxed torso. You can also lie down if you like, while maintaining a gentle alertness. Feel free to take a few deep, mindful breaths, inviting a sense of softness into your body. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, allow your whole body to release and relax. Repeat this a few more times, gently softening your shoulders, your face, forehead, the eyes. Allow your jaw to relax. Let's set an intention to be fully present together and to do this practice wholeheartedly, to the best of our abilities. Now gently transition to observing your natural breath. Bring your concentrated attention to the sensations of breathing. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest or belly. Notice the coolness of the inhale as you breathe in through the nose, the warmth of the exhale as you breathe out. Feel and follow a few breath cycles, cultivating a stable, clear, and calm attention to take with us in our meditation. With each breath, feel yourself settling more deeply into this moment. Now allow the scope of your attention to widen, The range is open and free and includes all things in your awareness. Let your attention roam freely to sounds, sensations, even thoughts. There's no need to force it in any direction. The key is to watch where your attention goes. When you notice where your attention has landed, quickly and gently label it with a single word or short phrase. For example, if you notice you're focused on a thought, simply note thinking. If you feel a physical sensation, note feeling. If you notice the breath, note breathing. If you hear a sound, hearing. If a to-do list pops into your mind, note to-do list. Use simple, direct labels. The goal is to be quick and clear, noting the experience without getting caught up in its content. I'll now demonstrate the noting practice, and you're welcome to join me for a round of what we call social noting. Feel free to note your own experiences out loud as well. Hearing. Breathing. Feeling. Thinking. Thinking. Memories. Hearing. Breathing. Achiness. Feeling. Hearing. Discomfort. Breathing. Let your attention move freely, noting where it lands, this time silently on your own. You may notice that your mind wanders away to something else, and you're no longer doing the technique. This is perfectly normal. When you become aware that your attention has wandered, simply acknowledge it with kindness, without reactivity or feeling frustrated, and gently return to the practice of noting, having an awareness of your attention and where it lands. Now I will leave you to continue this practice on your own for a few minutes. A gong sound will signal the end of your practice. Simply observe, note, and return if you get distracted. Observe, note, and return. feel really good about practicing with me today. You've cultivated an awareness of your attention, a valuable skill for mindful living. As you go about your day, see if you can bring this awareness to your daily activities. Watch where your attention goes. You can even practice noting during routine tasks like washing dishes, walking, cooking, or eating. Or try it while commuting, waiting in line, listening to a conversation, or even while taking a moment to pause and breathe. I look forward to seeing you on day 5, where we'll explore awareness itself, the spacious sky within. For ad-free meditations and bonus content, including day 6 of this series, which is a walking meditation, join me on Patreon under Motto Yoga. The link is below. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Wishing you all a wonderfully mindful day.